It all started off early on a brisk October day. I was loading the car and preparing to travel 300 miles from my comfortable home in the West Midlands all the way to Pembrokeshire for what could quite possibly be the best drone shot of my career. After arriving, it was fairly dark, and after such a long drive, I decided to relax and try for the drone shot first thing in the morning. Good morning, one and all. Tide is high, the temperature's low, and my hair is wet. Today we're gonna go droning. There's a shot that I've been waiting to get for seriously ages. So we're gonna go try to get that. Basically, there is a huge castle that we're gonna attempt to fly the drone over. Hopefully, this should be good. Spoiler alert, I failed! Got it! Almost. I want to take it a bit closer on later on in the week when it's not as windy, but today it's actually really windy. So it's not particularly cold, it's not as cold as yesterday, but it's really, really windy today. So I'm not sure if I want to risk taking it out that far. I mean, I certainly could. I took it probably further than that, and I took it a pretty good distance. But honestly, I'm not sure if I want to risk my drone taking it that far, and well, that far out while it's this windy. Look, my hair is blowing around like crazy. Oh my word. That queue goes out the door. After failing to get the drone shot on my first attempt, I went for a walk to think about how I could approach the shot differently, as well as give my battery a chance to charge, then have another go when I got back. I haven't fully charged this before I've flown it, so it's saying that the battery is pretty low to conserve battery health. It's not letting me fly very far. I want one shot. This is the perfect weather and lighting conditions. I want one shot flying over the fort. Maybe that's what I'm going to call this little film right here, the one shot, or something similar. I don't know. But it's one shot that I've failed to get twice in one single day. I don't know. At least we can appreciate this lovely golden hour light. Shame about the drone shot, but we can always try tomorrow. Okay, the sun's in my eyes. Basically, we got one more shot that we're gonna try to get because I don't have to fly the drone very far. Right, so there's a cliff down there that I want to fly over, and I think we can get a really cool shot out of that. Geez, I guess not. Okay. Yeah. Bit of a shame because the lighting is so beautiful right now. It's a shame that the battery just, for some reason, just crapped out on us. It's very bright and windy up here, but there is one shot that we absolutely need. And I think this light is actually going to do it justice. We got Prince Albert in the background. How's it going? Basically, there's a massive drop off to my right with the sea directly under it. So we're going to get a shot of the drone going off. It's going to be amazing. Oh, shit. Wow, okay, yeah, that was definitely worth the long haul up here. Those shots turned out incredible. The shots that I got were nice, but the main shot was still missing. I decided to call it a day and try for the main shot in the morning. Okay, first of all, I'm sorry about the lighting, but we're here. I have 2 more shots, both today. I can't go tomorrow because the weather is completely not drone weather at all. It's raining all day, and I'm actually going halfway through the day, so today is our last chance. We got it. We finally got the 300-mile round trip drone shot. And that pretty much brings us to the end of the story. I travelled 300 miles, got some incredible drone shots, and in the process made one of the most fun videos I've ever had the chance to make. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like the video. If you want to see more content like this, then please subscribe. I'm done, and I'll see you soon. Okay, one more.
Rolled up in that big truck with them guns up for them fuck boys. Smoked out in that Rolls Royce, blowing dope with that bad broad. Shawty know what I got, cash, I'ma throw it all and she want that. Every time you see me out, I blow trees out my blunt fat, cause I'm rich. Dumping the clip on a bitch, they hold her smoking, I exit the switch. Step to the mic, got the venomous spit. She steady working it, twerk on the dick. I'm with the shit and I get it. Got loud back in my switch on my life, man, I kill it, yeah, I kill it. All my life I've been a hustler.